Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to share this wonderful amazing keto pizza with you, and it's vegan. Yes, purely vegan, and that is what we are having for our challenge today. So if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share the video.
Before we start, we are going to mix our yeast. We are going to use some instant yeast. We are going to mix it and allow it to activate. Then I'll let you know the ingredients we are going to use so far. And so I'm going to use almond milk for my instant yeast activation, and I'm going to warm it a bit. I'll just pour about 200 ml. I'm going to warm it and then we'll use it. So I have warmed my milk. You don't need it hot and you don't need it cold. Just lukewarm. Warm. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of sugar. It's to help to activate the yeast. And even though we don't take in sugar on keto, the yeast will eat everything up. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of yeast to it. So I'll cover and set it aside. We are going to use almond flour. We are going to use oat fiber. We are going to use vital wheat gluten. These two things are keto. They don't contain any carbohydrates. There's no carbs in it. Purely keto. This is just the fiber of the oats, and this is just the gluten of the wheat. So that's what you're going to use. And for our toppings, we are going to make use of ketchup, tomato ketchup. This is homemade. I have a video to that, so you can watch how to make keto tomato ketchup. We are going to use some shredded cheese. We are going to use some shredded carrots, which is optional. We are going to use some spring onions. We are going to use mushrooms. If you get the fresh ones, that's better. Dry parsley. We are going to use, this is my all-pepper seasoning, white pepper and black pepper. We are also going to make use of xanthan gum. We have some onions and bell peppers. We are going to make use of butter and sweetener, and as well as salt solution. Okay, so we are first going to mix our dry ingredients. Our almond flour, I'm going to measure 2 of this cup. Now I'm going to use my food processor to do it. ml. I'm going to measure, this is 80 ml of the oat fiber. Measure 80 ml of the vital wheat gluten. Okay, so this is it. Half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Butter to it. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. Okay, so I am going to knead it. Okay, so this is yeast. It has been activated. We are going to add them in bits. I'm going to add some salt solution to it. it. It's very soft. I'm going to add a bit of vital wheat gluten to it. Another 80 ml of vital wheat gluten. So we are done kneading. If you don't have a food processor or bread machine, you can use your hand. When you mix it, use your hand to knead it very well. Okay, so what I'm going to take it into this, and I'm going to apply some butter. I'm going to apply some butter in there so it will not stick. You see the way it has kneaded very well, beautifully. This, you think we have actual flour in it, but there's no flour. It's just keto, no this thing. So I'll just place it in this. So I'll use a napkin to cover for 1 hour. We are going to leave this for 1 hour. Put it in a warm place for 1 hour. Hey guys, so this is it. Double. So this is it. I'm just trying to take the air from it. I cannot use all, so I'm going to divide it to fit. So this, I will wrap it in a cling film and then keep it in the fridge. Whenever I need it, I'll just take some and then use it for my pizza. My board, because the other one was very small, so I have to change it. This is my pizza pan, so I just left it and then place it in. Try and spread it out. I'm going to stir fry my veggies a bit, so I'll pour in my coconut oil and allow it to warm. You can decide not to stir fry it, just do it like that. I'll put in my onions and my green peppers. A bit of black pepper to it. A bit of white pepper. Bit of my all-purpose seasoning. Add a bit of carrot to it. Okay, so 10 minutes is up. It's even more than 10 minutes. So okay, so you are going to use this sauce. This is my homemade tomato ketchup. I have a video of homemade keto. This is keto tomato ketchup. So I'll leave the link in the description box for you to watch. Okay. So I'll first pour some on it. Then use my spoon to spread it out. This tomato ketchup contains chili, so it's a bit hot. And so these are the mushrooms. I'm going to pour the water from it. Some of the mushrooms. Okay, so sprinkle some cheese on it. I'm going to add my mushrooms to it. Then I'm going to sprinkle my veggies on it. Some spring onions on it. I'm going to add some dry parsley to it. Plenty veggies, very necessary. Then I'm going to add my cheese to it. Finally, the cheese, let it be enough on it. So we are going to bake this in the oven now. Okay, so we are checking on our pizza. It is ready. Our pizza. Oh my goodness. You see the under looking very beautiful. Okay, so let me pick one for you to see. So this is our vegan pizza, looking sumptuous. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to enjoy it with this my antioxidant cocoa fusion. You love this. Every bit of it tastes so great. Give it a try.
Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share the video. Don't forget to leave a comment and watch out for another awesome sumptuous recipe. Please, I need your subscription to grow my channel. Bye bye.